First, slide the release tab and pull the key out of the fob. Once the key is removed, you'll see a small slot where the two halves of the fob separate. You can use the key itself to gently twist and pop the fob open, or you can use a small flathead screwdriver like we are here. Be careful not to force it too hard. Just work slowly until the two halves separate. You'll notice 4 small retaining tabs around the battery. 2 of them look more fixed, while the other 2 have a little bit of flex. Gently push against one of the flexible tabs, and the battery should pop loose. Most Honda Odyssey key fobs use a CR2032 battery, but it's always a good idea to double-check the number on the battery you remove. Install the new battery by sliding it under the fixed tabs first, then pressing down on the side with the flexible tabs until it seats into place. Once the new battery is installed, line the two halves of the fob back up and press them together until they snap closed. Then, slide the emergency key back into place. That's it! Your Honda Odyssey key fob battery is replaced and ready to use.